Happy anniversary to all. Lalo-lalo na yung mga kapatid natin nagtatrabaho rito ng posisyon. Sila at ang ating manager, pataas, at ang aking kasamang board of director ay taus-puso kong binabati sa 45 years anniversary. Nakatulad ko rin, 45 years na rin ako ngayon dito. Sana huwag mabago ang ating pagtingin sa ating kumpanya. So maging masunurin sa bawat iutos ng nakatataas sa atin. At ang mukha ng dati, para tayong isang pamilya na nagtutulungan.
We're the fighters, we won't stop, won't quit no matter the cost. We keeping on. We're the dreamers, we push through the darkness with all that we've got. We keeping on. But oh mama, we've made it to the other side singing. Oh mama, oh mama. Hold your head up high, this is our time. Hold your head up high.
Kanila pong groundbreaking proposed production well at dito po yan sa Riverside Central, Balungaw. Muli po sa lahat po ng official po ng Kawadi, sa lahat po ng bumubuo po ng Kawadi, kami po ay taus-puso po bumabati po, isang congratulations po sa inyo sa 45th anniversary.
Reaching higher, always up, keep climbing until we're on top. Leave the shadows below. But oh mama, we've made it to the highest heights singing. Oh mama, oh mama. Hold your head up high, this is our time. Hold your head up high.
Sa bagong taon, after 45 years of service, again, tayo magsisimula upang sa gayon ay patuloy nating mapaunlad ang ating serbisyo sa pangailangang katubigan dito po sa ating bayan ng Kalumpit. And we're going to bless this proposed production wall at Riverside, Balungaw Central as a new project as we enter to the new year after 45 years of our celebration for this time.
God bless Kalumpit Water District. Salamat po.
Happy 45th anniversary!